Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Yagoo medical full dentures with strong suction. You've probably seen the ads promising a revolutionary, glue-free life that sounds almost too good to be true. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But before you throw away your adhesive, let's see if this is actually a medical breakthrough or just another masterpiece of marketing fiction. First, let's talk about those reviews on their website. Everything looks suspiciously perfect. The testimonials are glowing. The photos are flawless, and those someone just purchased this pop-ups appear with the frantic energy of a toddler on a sugar high. Because nothing says legitimate medical device like a website that screams at you every 3 seconds. When we ventured outside their curated bubble, the story changed. Trustpilot is a ghost town, but over on Reddit, the users are definitely talking, and they aren't exactly singing praises. Most people describe these Yagoo dentures as cheap, boil and bite cosmetic products rather than anything made by a professional. Apparently, the fit is so bad it could irritate a saint, let alone your gums. It seems these are about as close to real dentures as a plastic party mask is to actual plastic surgery. Some users even suggest that you'd be better off just using better glue or, heaven forbid, actually visiting a clinic. Then there are those before and after photos. They look impressive until you realize they've been borrowed from various corners of the internet. A quick reverse image search reveals that their success stories are about as original as a Hollywood remake. If a company can't even show you a real photo of their own handiwork, you have to wonder if the product even exists in 3 dimensions. Next comes the classic FDA-approved claim. They talk a big game about medical-grade silicone, yet there isn't a single certificate or official document to be found. It's a bold strategy to ask people to stick unverified materials in their mouths and just trust the vibe. The claims only get wilder from there. They boast about being the #1 dentist-recommended and clinically proven choice, yet they conveniently forget to name a single dentist or cite one actual study. I suppose Dr. Imaginary was too busy to sign the endorsement deal. They also throw around fancy phrases like negative pressure and unique suction technology, without actually explaining how any of it works. It's a lot of science-sounding words designed to distract you from the lack of actual science. Here is the final verdict. With stolen images, 0 certifications, no trustworthy reviews, and absolutely no expert backing, Yagoo dentures look incredibly unreliable and risky. If you actually need to chew your food, it's much safer to visit a real dentist and avoid products that treat medical claims like optional suggestions. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you save your money in your mouth, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.